and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. What's up? How you doing? I do videos on lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. Today's video is going to be an apartment tour of sorts. I did an apartment tour as my very first video ever on YouTube. I will leave a link right here if you would like to go check that out. It was so fun decorating, and it was me moving in with my boyfriend. We've been together for almost 4 years now, so it was just such a fun time. I am going to show you everything that I did to make my apartment fall, but it's not going to be an entire apartment tour. So if you do want to see my apartment in entirety, go ahead and watch that video. I will also leave a link right here to my fall shop with me video. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. I will go ahead and just start with our entertainment center. So living with a boy, obviously there's only so much you can do to make things look not guy-like. So obviously that's his Xbox, but so for this, all I did was add this little pumpkin. So we have the little L and J, which are silver, and I thought that that pumpkin would match really well, and the black travel books match really well with the candle up candle. So this just felt like I did what I could, you know? So then moving on to our coffee table, this I think is so fun. So I just have a candle here, which we have almost used to entirety, and I just got it, so that's kind of unfortunate, but it smells really good. So if you're looking for a really good sweet fall candle, jasmine musk. I got this at Marshall's. This scent is amazing. I will probably search for this at other stores. Then we just have our coasters, which I've shown before, and this is the fun little guy. So I always like to keep treats out just because we have friends over a lot, and I always change it out when the previous one is gone. So right now we just have Starburst, which I just thought was fun. I'll probably try to get something like fall colored, maybe M&Ms or something for the next round, but for now we love Starburst. So, and they're all pink. You can't skip out on an all pink Starburst. And then moving on to my couch. So this was pretty easy. I just updated it with a couple new pillows, which would be the orange one and this one. This one's from Target. The orange one is from Marshall's. And then this really soft Sherpa blanket, which is just like orange and tan speckled. It's really soft. Love this blanket. Moving over here, we just added a few other things. So I just got this candle, which is pumpkin spice. In case you can't tell, I have literally lit every single candle I've bought already, so I got a little excited. Moving on to this seat, I have had this blanket for a while, but it has been in storage. I bought this last year around Christmas time just because I feel like that is really cute and cozy. And then I just picked up this pillow from at home. So this just kind of feels Halloween with like the black and the orange. I thought that was fun. And then up here above our chair that I just showed you, we have this little shelf, and these are still the same. This just says I love you in German, and that's a picture of us at a wedding. But then down here, I just got a couple new candles. So this one is apple spice, and this one is sea salt and pumpkin, and then that's just an Ohio sign that I picked up as well. So I thought that those colors, the black and the orange, just tied in well with the chair. And over here we have this trunk, which my grandma got me. I have had this trunk for as long as I can remember. And then this guy is really fun. So this is actually a record player. And this is a new addition since the last apartment tour. So I figured I would show you this. So this is super fun, just a cool record player. But when it's not being used, we just have this little potpourri type thing. So for whatever reason my camera will not focus on this, but the scent is Fall Harvest, and it's just a bunch of fun pumpkin shaped potpourri, and then there's little salts down there on the bottom, and this smells really good. I got this at Marshall's as well. So I only did one little thing to my desk, which is this candle, which I feel like that's really all that fall is just, you know, going shopping and blacking out and buying 27 candles. So this is, I believe, pumpkin spice. Yes, so this is pumpkin spice. I just thought this was super pretty, just the reflection of it and everything. I thought that was really fun and different from a lot of the other candles I saw. Moving into the kitchen, I just bought this monster of a candle that just has leaves on the glass and then also all over the top. And I just like to keep this right here on the countertop. That way it really just gets the entire room. And this one is Falling Leaves is the scent of this guy. That was kind of heavy to pick up, not gonna lie. And then I also just got one more candle, and this one is pumpkin vanilla, and I just thought that the style of this really went with our kitchen and our theme in here and matches really well with the knife set as well. So if any of you watch The Office, you know that this is what Michael says when he is trying to make the shot, but I'm in the process of trying to change this into something really cute and fall. So if you have any ideas or good quotes or anything, leave those in the description box because that would be really fun and I can show it in the next video. Okay, and then lastly into the bedroom, I pretty much redid our bed. I got brand new sheets. I got the jersey sheets because that is like my ish in the fall. It's so soft. It's like a big hug. It's the bomb. I got these from Target and they are king size. And then I also picked up this pillow which is tan and then just has like orange flecks of metallic all in it. And then I also picked up this blanket which is super cute and I felt like it just really tied the room together, and it just looks like this up close. It's so soft. Like, this is so soft. Alright you guys, so that is it for my fall apartment tour and everything I did to make our apartment so fall and cozy and cute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to hang out with me and keep up with my life. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.